Most people chase money, but ignore the one asset that actually makes them rich: energy. If your body is tired, your focus drops, your discipline fades, and your income potential shrinks. That's why smart people invest in their health before they invest in stocks. Today, I'm breaking down a simple system from the book Wall Pilates Workouts for Beginners by Jenna Hale. This 28-day challenge is designed to sculpt your core, burn fat, and skyrocket your energy. Here's the wealth lesson. It costs almost nothing to start. No gym fees, no fancy equipment, just a wall and 20 minutes a day. That's what investors call high return on investment. Energy is your real currency. When your energy rises, your productivity multiplies. Wall Pilates focuses on low-impact movement that builds strength without burnout. Consistency beats intensity, just like in wealth building. The book emphasizes showing up, even when motivation is low. That same mindset builds savings, businesses, and investments. Week by week, the program increases intensity and discipline. Just like compound interest, results stack over time. The book also teaches simple nutrition habits for sustained energy. Fuel your body like an elite performer, not a burnout worker. Supplements are positioned as support tools, not shortcuts. Wealth is built with systems, not motivation. Your body is your first business. If you can master your habits, you can master your money. This book gives you a blueprint for discipline. And discipline is the foundation of wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and compound your results. Health is not an expense, it's an investment, and it pays dividends every single day. So invest wisely, starting with your body. Because wealthy people protect their energy. And now, it's your turn. If this helped you see wealth differently, hit like. Share this with someone building their future. Comment what habit you're starting today. And subscribe to Power Triad for more upgrades. Your future self will thank you.